The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, coming with more updated features like a longer battery life, improved sleep monitoring, upgraded Bluetooth, and a more robust screen, seeks to offer even better user benefits when it shortly replaces its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. In this video, we'll discuss the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 2023, release date, pricing, and big specs.
Can't wait.
According to the Korean tech blog Naver, Samsung Electronics is pursuing a plan to integrate Chinese OLED screens on upcoming mobile devices, including the Galaxy Watch 6. In the past, the production of the panels for Samsung products, including the Galaxy Watch 5, used to be the sole work of Samsung Display. However, as part of Samsung's efforts to diversify its supply chain as well as make production more cost-effective, the anticipated Galaxy Watch 6 will have inbuilt OLED panels from the Chinese display company BOE.
Cool!
Design. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to include a glass screen with an additional Gorilla Glass DX layer to help protect the screen. A 1.6-inch Super AMOLED always-on display is expected to be included. While many people adore the AOD because it provides instant access to the time, and while others claim it simply looks good on the watch face, it will be one of the features of the watch that uses the most battery. Is the Galaxy Watch 6 coming with an upgrade in battery life? Stay with us and let's find out more. We are also anticipating a titanium or 316 liters hardened steel for the smartwatch's construction. The most common colors are intended to be black and silver. However, it's highly likely that customers will have access to a wide range of additional color options when it launches in August 2023.
I'm impressed. Good for you.
Water resistance. One other feature of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is that it will have a water resistance ability according to IP68 standards, which implies that the watch can be fully protected without any extra cases or covers in a depth of up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes in fresh water. According to ISO standard 22810-2010, your Galaxy Watch will be safe while you perform shallow water activities. For example, you can wear your watch while swimming, strolling in the rain, or taking a shower. However, the Galaxy Watch shouldn't be used for activities like scuba diving, water skiing, or other activities that require submerging it below the 1.5 meter safe standard. If you want regular updates on the newest gadgets that are popular, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss any of our timely updates.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Health features. For those who are concerned about their health, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to include several capabilities that will help in the assessment of crucial health metrics including blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, and stress levels. Consumers can use the Galaxy smartwatch to monitor their sleep habits by getting a computed sleep score when they wear the watch to bed, after enabling a few settings on the Samsung Health app. No other smartwatch competes well with the Fitbit's health features like the Galaxy Watch does. Even more, it's anticipated that the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will continue to support more than twice as many of the 40 health modes offered by the newest Fitbit Sense. What is your favorite health mode on the Samsung Galaxy Watch? Tell us in the comments section.
Doesn't that blow your mind?
Battery life. There has been no reports indicating a battery life boost, so the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will likely include a 590 mAh lithium-ion non-removable battery, implying that it could last up to 60 hours or nearly 3 days. That should, of course, be with limited or no GPS tracking and always-on display.
Now, I know a lot of people love always-on displays, but it is known to eat a lot of battery life on the watch. So if you are not using this feature too much and can live without it, turn this.
On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to have a significantly smaller 284 mAh battery and hence a shorter battery life. Keep watching to find out how much the Galaxy Watch 6 will sell for.
Wait, don't go.
RAM and storage. The smartwatch is expected to come with an eMMC storage of 16 GB and 32 GB options and a RAM of 3 GB. If you've ever wondered why a smartwatch has this feature, it's because it contributes significantly to the speedy operation and reaction of the watch. Additionally, it controls how many apps may be updated simultaneously.
All right, that sounds good.
Connectivity. The watch will be connectable via NFC, GPS, Wi-Fi, and of course, it will also come with a speaker for making calls via Bluetooth connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to run on Google's Wear OS with Samsung's One UI software overlay, as is customary, which implies that it can only be paired with Android devices.
Stuff like this?
Price and release date. The GPS-only 40mm size Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to cost about $279, and the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro is likely to cost $499. Considering Samsung's consistent release schedule, the Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to be released in August 2023. If you enjoyed this video, then ensure that you like and share with your friends. Until the next video, stay safe.